So this is part 2 of the video. These studs right here, it's a 7mm. I had to go to O'Reilly's to go get it. They go right. The studs are right in here. There's 3 of them, alright? So the third one is kind of hard to see, or actually you're not gonna be able to see it at all because it's kind of behind you. You gotta feel for it. So this is 1. 2 is actually down there at the bottom. I ain't gonna see it because it's dark out here and I don't have no light. But when I pull it out, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. It's literally right here at the bottom is where I took the stud out. As quick as possible. Do it faster, just don't got the dang pole. I was gonna use the pole for the jack, that way I have more leverage and I can do this a lot faster. Just gotta slow and steady, win the race. That part 1 of the video, I guess you just take the plastic clips that holds the wires together. You can really just remove the you ain't even got to unplug it really. Just remove the plastic clip from the bracket and just move it out of the way. That's all you got to do. It'll save you some more time. Whew. Faster. This angle. There we go. Alright. And then 1 more at the bottom. Right now. There we go. Very difficult on a hot day for those who can't stand the heat. and try to do it with your car while it's cold. It's extremely hot. You know, they try to charge me $100 for them to do this, and you can do it yourself. It's not hard, guys. It's really not. I love to make this video all one complete shot, but unfortunately I don't have the part. It's gonna take a whole another week before it gets here. Next week, Thursday. I ordered it like 3 days ago. That's it. Really not gonna matter what stud you use. You can see they're all the same size studs, so they're good. So you can't mix them up. You can't be wrong. Let me go ahead and just close off real quick so y'all can see. Now y'all can get a better idea. Let me get over here in the light so y'all can see. Let me go grab them brackets too. Well, not the brackets, I'm sorry, the studs and the bolts. Alright y'all, so this is what we're looking at, alright? So it sits in down there like this, okay? 1, 2, 3. Like you'll be able to see the top and the bottom. Like once you take all that stuff off, you'll see. So what you do is this nut is gonna be on there first. After you take this nut off, you take it off. You're gonna take it off from the bottom here, and you're gonna take it off the one in the back. This is the one you're not gonna be able to see, so you're gonna have to kind of feel for it. And this size is what size is that? A 15 millimeter. And for this, you gotta take these studs off in order to take the alternator off. This is a size 7 millimeter. You take them all off, and once you break them loose, all of them completely loose, you'll be able to remove the alternator. But you got to take them, you got to break all of these completely loose, and this comes out. And once you get it off, well, this is, where's that, the plug. After it drops down, you'll be able to take this plug out. But first things first, you're always going to make sure you disconnect the battery in the back, and then you're gonna this right here is a 12 millimeter bolt as well. You're gonna take this one off too, and then once you get that taken off, then you take off the rest of this stuff. And that's it. And I'll make another video on putting it back in. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys when I get my other alternator. Alright, look.